right, hello. Now I'm gonna show you how to access the listening and speaking TELPAS practice test. So first, once again, you're gonna be on your browser. You're gonna go to the search bar, type TELPAS practice test. If I can type, there it is, practice test. Okay, you're gonna go to the first link, the texasassessment.gov right here. Click on the first link. Once again, scroll down to the blue section. You're gonna go to the first box, practice test logins. You're gonna go to there, okay? Then you will go and just click sign in, practice test log, a new tab open, so sign in. Once again, you can mess with the settings. Oh, select your grade level. Each grade level has different tests. 8th grade test is a little different than 6th and 7th. So we're gonna go to the first purple TELPAS release test, click on that. You're gonna scroll down, listening and speaking. I'm gonna do the 2020 listening and speaking release test, or you could do the one from last year, but I'm gonna do 2020. Again, you can mess with the settings. Okay, select. Here, okay, if you don't check anything and you try to click continue, you see audio and video checks, playback check, all this when you, remember it's listening and speaking. If you click continue, it's not gonna let you go before you check your audio. Now this is where we have a lot of usually issues or hiccups, okay? So I'm gonna connect my headphones. Right here I have them. Plug it in into your computer, your Chromebook. Make sure the volume on this thing is up. Mine is up, but sometimes it's down. So let's say it's down and I play the sound. I put the volume's down. Okay, I did not hear the sound. Let me play it. I put the volume. Yeah, no, I heard the sound. Okay, next you're gonna record. Where's the mic? Right here. Make sure you are recording. So this is also, let's see, record. Is a little window is gonna pop up. I need you to say allow while visiting this site, the first one, okay, the first option. And now I am recording. I heard my recording button. My name is Miss Pintor. All right, I will click stop. I will play it. Okay, I heard my recording, I heard my voice. Now I can go on to the test. But if you don't hear that, then you cannot go to the next section. Okay, now we are here on the listening and speaking. So for this, you do need, because it is the listening portion, most of it you need your headphones on. All right, you're gonna click play. Remember, you need paper to take notes and take notes of anything. So make sure you have scratch paper and a pencil around and take notes for what you're listening to. Write down before you hit record. Before you record anything, make sure to write and take notes of what you're gonna say. Well, thank you guys. Have fun practicing. See ya later.